You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly, this name I should say. In English, British English and American English pronunciations are similar here as Hutchinson. Let's break it down. Hut, just like a hut. Chin, just like the chin on your face. And son, no, not like a son. It's not Hutchinson. It's not Hutchinson. It's Hutchinson. So it's sun, just like the sun. Hut, chin, sun. Stress on the hut syllable. Hutchinson. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.